Mystery box time. I'm not gonna shake it because I don't know what's in it. But mystery box. I got my mystery box. I'm very excited. So, as you guys can tell from my singing, and we're in focus. Apparently we are. I really need to put my contacts in when I film because I'm starting to go blind and I'm not being able to see if I'm in focus or not. Maybe I should go grab my glasses. Okay, we're in focus. All right, where are those scissors? All right, let's open this bad boy. Okay guys, I have no idea what's coming in this mystery box. I have avoided all spoilers. I have no idea. I've heard a couple people of my friends, because they're dicks and they told me, said that we may be getting a palette in the smallest box. So this is the premium Valentine's mystery box. So I really wanted to get one of the deluxe ones, one of the bigger ones, but I kind of forgot about the launch, and by the time that I got onto the site, it was literally 2 hours after these boxes went live, and the premium ones were still available, which is shocking to me because last mystery box at Christmas time, I tried for an hour to get these boxes and I couldn't get one. 2 hours later, I think maybe because of the whole Afterpay not being available for the first 2 hours, I think that may have been part of the reason a lot of people didn't purchase these boxes this time around, or couldn't purchase these boxes this time around, but it was still available and I finally got a mystery box. So I'm very excited, and I've heard a couple spoilers from people saying that we might be getting a palette in this one, and I'm really hoping it's not the alien palette because I already have that palette and I really don't like that palette, but I have a feeling it's gonna be the alien palette. So I digress. So also, if you're interested in this makeup look I have going on right now, I'll link it up in the eye for you guys. It is the new Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and it is so good, so freaking good. I'm so in love with this freaking eye look tonight. I'm hyped. I'm also drinking water because I'm thirsty. Okay, I've delayed this enough. So I got this on the launch day. Obviously, that was the only day that you could get it, and it was, I think it was 60 USD plus shipping plus all of the taxes and stuff. So I think I paid about, I think I paid about $110 for this box. So it is very expensive. So I am hoping that I got some items in it that I will Jesus. So I'm hoping that I got some items in this box that I will use and I will like. So oh, that was anticlimactic because it's still freaking taped. Where did my scissors go? There we go. Here is the mystery box. My eyes are closed and you guys are seeing it before me. I don't know what I got. What did I get? What did I get? What did I get? What did I get? The alien palette. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. I don't like this palette. Me. I already have this palette. I got it last year at Christmas time. No, the year before. 2018 Christmas time. When it launched, I got it. I was not loving it. I barely used this palette. It's literally been sitting in my makeup kit, drawer, boxes, whatever things over there since then, and I literally have not used it. So that's really, really amazing that he sent palettes out this time around in the small mystery box, because that is like insane. These palettes are already worth like the total of the box, so that is really cool. So this is the alien palette. I really, really don't like this palette, but maybe I haven't given it enough of a fair chance. Probably gonna give this one away because I already have one and I have not used it, and they are discontinued, so these are actually gonna be pretty rare, so maybe I won't give it away. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet, but this is the alien palette, and if you are unfamiliar with it and you live under a rock and you've never ever seen the alien palette before, this is the Jeffree Star alien palette, and when you open it up, it is such a gorgeous palette. It looks like this. It's just not colors that I usually gravitate to or usually use, and I didn't really like the purple in it. I found the purple to be really patchy and really hard to use. So I'm going to put this to the side, and maybe I will give it another chance with the one that I already have and used, and I'm not gonna open this, like I'm not gonna dip into this one right this second because I literally already have an alien palette. So we got an alien palette. So that's crazy. These palettes are very expensive, so the fact that it's the first thing that I see in this mystery box is really, really cool. So now we get to move on to the rest of the items. So it comes with like red paper in it, and that's just like stuffing to like make it so that it doesn't break, I guess. So the next thing I see is a pop socket. So again, I have 3 of these now. I don't need it. I have a pop socket that's on my phone already. It is palm trees, and I don't need a Jeffree Star one. So my friend Justine now has 3 pop sockets to choose from because she asked for one of these, and I'll give her one because I don't need it. And the next thing that I see is a beanie. Oh my god, this is actually so freaking cute. Oh, I love this. So I got a red beanie that has the Jeffree Star logo on it, and it has little like candy hearts on it. Oh my god, that is super cute. Yes, this wig sucks. Let's throw this on. Oh my god, that is so cute. I love the color, and it has the little Jeffree Star logo on it. Ah! I'm really like hats that are a little bit like stretchier and a little bit longer, that like kind of sag in the back. That's just kind of like the hats I go to. But this is a really, really cool, cute hat, and I'm definitely gonna wear it for the rest of the video. So the last thing that I see in my mystery box, this is gonna be a very short video because the mystery box literally isn't that big, but I got the small one. I got the gloss. So I got the color Succulent. Let's open it and let's see what color I got. Oh, that is actually a gorgeous color. Wow. I really don't wear lip gloss, but this is super pretty. Look at this color. It's like an iridescent pinky purple color, and it looks super stunning. You can see the like the reflect of the different colors, and when you open it up, it looks, smells like vanilla. Ooh, it smells good. So I don't really like lip gloss. I don't wear lip gloss ever, but because this is such a pretty color, I'm going to keep it, and maybe I will use it in the future if I ever become not against lip gloss. But I really don't use lip gloss because I live in Canada, it's cold here, it's windy here, and I hate when my wigs and my hair get stuck in my makeup, and that's what gloss is to me, sticky. So this was the premium mystery box. So this is the little mystery box, like the first tier. There's 3 tiers. There's like the premium, the deluxe, and the, how does it go? Let me see. So the premium mystery box contains 4 items, which is what I got. I got 4 items. The deluxe mystery box contains 8 items, and the supreme mystery box contains 12 items. So I really wanted to get the deluxe, obviously, but it also would have cost me like $250. So I'm happy with paying $100 for the little box. Some of the items obviously aren't that great in the mystery box, like this, for example. I don't need a pop socket. I think this is kind of silly to give, considering we've got them in every single mystery box so far that I've had. I've done 3 mystery boxes, and I've gotten these pop sockets every time, and I haven't used them. So they're just kind of a waste to me, but other people may really like them. If they like to change out the pop socket on their phone, that's cool. But once you put a pop socket on your phone, it's kind of like stuck on your phone. You can't really like take it off and put it back on. At least in the ones that I have, once you take it off, it's kind of unusable again. So I don't really like to waste them. So this one has literally been on my phone for like a year and a half. So I probably won't use this. I'll probably give this away. The gloss is really, really cool that we got it. It's a really gorgeous color. Again, just don't usually use lip gloss, but I'll definitely give it a try. And then the beanie, I love. I absolutely love this beanie. This is so amazing. And then an entire palette. The palette is really, really great that he sent these out. I just wish I had gotten a different palette. I think I would have rather have gotten the Thirsty palette, just because I know that one is also discontinued, but I got the alien. That's okay though. The alien is really, really, really pretty. It has a really cool aesthetic. It's just the color scheme of it is just really strange. It's not that it's like ugly or anything. It's just really strange and not a color scheme that I usually go for. So that's why I wasn't really inclined to get the alien again, just because I don't really like the color story. Not that the colors aren't pretty, it's just the color story is kind of weird to me. I'm not really into this type of palette. So I probably will give this away, but either way, this was everything that was in my mystery box. It was really, really short, really, really quick, but I'm so excited that I got through my mystery box. I finally got it. I ordered it on launch day, and it is the day before Valentine's Day, so I'm happy that I got this toque for Valentine's Day. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this, and I will see you guys at the next video. Bye!